very good intention, Leon, and I understand, but you know you are a minor and you need to ask permission first to your mom, okay? Hello, Barry from Rockapol, Rock from Lori, Sis Ludes from Lorico, Sis Lo ng B from Inangpom. Hello po, Kusinerong Pastor. Thank you po. Hindi po ako makapag-pin ha, kasi nung isang araw nag-pin ako na wala po yung LS ko. So, sorry po yung mga gusto pong makipag-support. Pa-support na lang po yung binabawa ni Kusinerong Pastor. Salamat po. Kusinerong Pastor, mega love shout out from Inangpom. I am recovering from my 2 surgeries. I'm glad you're doing well. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rock. I am feeling better, but I am not fully recovered yet. But I am positive that I mean, um, what we call this? I cannot find the right word. I know that I will be better soon. That's what I mean. And I am glad that you are recovering. Please take time to heal, Rock, you know. And I hope those surgeries aren't major, right? Yay, my bad. Okay, I will. Yes, Leon, because you know, as a minor, you need to, everything you do in social media, something like that, you need to ask first permission from your mom. Okay? I know you have a very good intention, you are very kind, you are friendly, but you need to be very careful, okay? Nang Leilani, hello, maaga pa pala LS mo. Salamat nung parikoy. Hindi nung parikoy kasi alam mo, bawal lang sa akin magpuyat, kaya sinisingit ko mag-LS sa hapon ba. Parikoy from Sis Lorico, compadre from Inangpom. Inang kumadre, hello. Parikoy Lori, hello from nung parikoy. Nang Lucia, who from nung parikoy. Salamat sa pagpasok ng mga kakambal mo ng Ludes. Nung parikoy, gilid lang, nosebleed. Sa mga hindi nabsak-tamsak dyan, pangit na gaya. Inangpom. Thank you. You are welcome, darling Rock. Kaya nga nang B, sa gilid-gilid na lang tayo. Chat if you have Discord, then add me. Username is Leon's Return. I don't have any Discord, Leon. I'm so sorry. Oy, Ambet. Ayan guys, pamangkin ko si Lalaine. Wait, Lalaine, at lagyan kita ng moderator. There you go. Now you have your moderator. Hindi na ako magko-comment ng B. Huwag ka maingay. Baka mapala. Dear friend Rook, hello from Parikoy Official TV. Is my music very strong? Sige nang B. Go, go, go. Ayun nga, napapadugo talaga yung ilong ko. I already deleted, Leon. I already deleted. No worries. Salamat ng Lud sa mga pagpasok ng mga alalay. Bye-bye for now. I can stay longer po. Busy pa buhay. Thank you so much nung parikoy. You take care. Thank you so much, Rockavol. Nung parikoy. Ingat kumpadre sa pagpapayaman, sana all nagpapayaman. Diba? Ingat nung parikoy from nang Ludes. Ingat parikoy from Sis Lorico. Nang lay, okay na ko, wag mo na banggitin kami. Dinudugo talaga yung ilong ko. Sana hindi pa papasok yung mate ni Inang Pom. Kasi napapadugo talaga yung ilong ko doon. Lalain, kumusta kayo dyan? Nang Ludes, safe